Hey everyone, John here from Diode. Today in the garage, we'll be showing you how to install our SS3 headlight kit, like you see here on this 2023 Honda Talon. Let's get started. Start by twisting the hood latches to unlock the hood and firmly pull up on the corners to remove. Next, disconnect the headlight harness by depressing the locking clip and pulling away. Then, carefully unhook the coolant hose from the plastic hooks. If you have an aftermarket windshield, we recommend removing it to make this installation process easier. Locate the black rubber shield on the firewall and use a flathead screwdriver or trim removal tool to remove 6 plastic clips. At the cowl, continue removing 4 more plastic clips shown, as well as 4 10mm bolts and 5 5mm Allen bolts. With the cowl loose, remove and set aside. Using a 10mm socket, remove 4 10mm bolts. On either headlight, remove the outer plastic clip and 5mm bolt from the headlight shroud. There will be 2 more plastic clips to remove, one behind the headlight bucket and another in the inside corner of the headlight shroud. Repeat these steps for the other side. Before continuing, make sure the coolant hose is clear of the fender mounting bracket and is under the plastic. Using a 10mm wrench, remove the 10mm bolt from the side of the bumper and repeat for the other side. At the bottom of the bumper on the skid plate, use a flathead or trim removal tool to remove 2 plastic clips. Lift up on the fenders and pull the bumper towards the front of the vehicle. Repeat for the other side. Pull the plastic bumper tabs around the metal bull bar and set the bumper on a soft surface or cradle. At the back of the bumper, remove 2 plastic clips and 1 Phillips screw. Remove the headlight cap and unplug the factory headlight. Repeat these steps for the other side and flip the bumper over. Pivot the side plastic piece towards the front bumper and remove. Repeat for the other side. Next, use a trim removal tool to remove the plastic clip at the corner of each headlight. Once the clip is removed, pivot the plastic piece down and remove from the bumper. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to remove the screw and spring from each headlight and set aside as these will not be reused. Pull the headlight plastic and headlight bucket away from each other to release the headlight pin and remove both headlights. Reinstall the side plastic pieces by sliding the tab in and re-securing the plastic clips and Phillips screws. Loosely place the bumper on the vehicle and leave for now. We can begin assembling our headlights. First, we'll attach our SS3s to the universal brackets by dropping the supplied nuts into the side slots on each side of the pod with the nylon ring facing the inside. Then, slide the universal bracket over the back of the pod and thread our 5/32 Allen screws and washers. Tighten using a 5/32 Allen and repeat for each pod. Next, grab either headlight bracket and install the pods using the included carriage bolt, washers, lock washers, and nut. Repeat for each pod and tighten using a 13mm wrench. Make sure you install the pods in the correct position for their function. The combo pod, which functions as the low beam, will be placed on the outside closest to the small tab, and the driving pod, which functions as the high beam, will be placed on the inside. Plug the provided harness into each pod, making sure the low beam goes into the combo pod and the high beam goes into the driving pod. Plug the headlight harness in line with the factory connection and feed the backlight wire out of the dust cap opening. Bring the headlight to the vehicle and lift up on the fender to place the pods and bracket into the housing. Loosely install the provided Allen screws and nuts onto the middle, inner, and outer mounting holes. Once in place, tighten all 3 bolts using a 5mm Allen. Repeat for the other side. If the pods don't look even, use this time to make any adjustments and tighten. Reconnect the factory headlight harness from earlier and locate the OEM accessory power. Unplug the accessory power and add the Stage Series backlight harness in line. Route this harness along the factory wiring and plug in line with each headlight. Inside the vehicle, pull down on the top of the fuse cover between the two seats. Depress the two side clips and lift up on the fuse box lid. Remove the red 10 amps light fuse and add the provided 15 amp fuse. Test the lights for function. With everything functioning properly, secure any loose wiring using zip ties, and reverse the steps we use to take everything apart to put it back together. As you can see, with our Stage Series headlight kit installed, not only do you have a custom off-road appearance, but you'll also have a significant increase in light output compared to the factory lamps. If you're looking to pick up an SS3 headlight kit for your Honda Talon or any of our other products, be sure to visit our website at diodedynamics.com or use our dealer locator tool to find a dealer near you. And if you want to stay up to date on the latest and greatest products coming to the market, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on those notifications. Thanks for watching.